Myself, Dr. Sachin Kishore, Assistant Professor, Horticulture, School of Agriculture Sciences and Technology, RIMT University, Mandi, Gobindgarh, Punjab. Today I am delivering a lecture on orchard plantation. Establishment of orchard. Establishment of orchard is a long-term investment and deserve a very critical planning. The selection of proper location and site, planting system and planting distance, choosing the varieties and the nursery plants have to be considered carefully to ensure maximum production of the orchard. Location and site selection. Proper selection of site is important. Selection may be made based on the following criteria. First one is suitability of soil, its fertility, the nature of subsoil and soil depth should be according to selected fruit crop. Site must have good drainage facility. There is no water stagnation during the rainy season. Irrigation water must be of good quality. There must be proper transportation facility. The climatic conditions should be suitable for the selected fruit crop and availability of labor. Preliminary operations. After selecting the suitable location and site, some preliminary operations have to be done. Deep plugging is essential to remove big roots. The lands should be thoroughly plugged, labelled and manured. In the hilly area, the land should be divided into traces depending upon the topography of the land. If the soil is poor, it would be advisable to grow a green manuring crop like that sunhump, dhencha and cowpea. Planning of an orchard. A careful plan of the orchard is necessary for the most efficient and economic management. The following points should be borne in mind in preparing the plan. Optimum spacing, store and office building in the site of orchard well should be located. Each kind of fruits should be assigned in a separate block. Fruit ripening at the same time should be grouped together. Pollinators should be provided in deciduous fruit plants. Deciduous fruit plants, those fruit plants shed their leaves during the winter season. Most of the temperate region fruit plants having deciduous characteristics. This type of plants unfruitfulness in nature, so pollinators should be planted between these plants. Irrigation channels should be laid out. Roads should occupy minimum space. Short growing trees should be allotted at the front and tall at the back. Evergreen trees should be in the front and deciduous ones behind. A good fence is essential. Windbreaks should be planted. System of planting. The system of layout and distance of planting is decided according to needs. Any methods of layout should aim to provide maximum number of trees per unit area, adequate space for proper development of the trees. Among the prevalent system of layout, square system, rectangular system, quincunx system, hexagonal and contour are practiced. Square system. In this system, trees are planted on each corner of a square, whatever may be the planting distance, or the central place between four trees may be advantageously used to raise short lived filler trees. This system permits intercropping and cultivation in two directions. Next, rectangular system. In this system, trees are planted on each corner of a rectangular as the distance between any two rows is more than the distance between any two trees in a row. There is no equal distribution of space per trees. Hexagonal system. In this method, the trees are planted in each corner of an equatorial triangle. This way 6 trees form a hexagon with the 7th tree in the center. In this system accommodates 50% more trees than the square system. Diagonal quincunx system. Diagonal or quincunx system, this is the square method, but with one more plant in the center of the square. This will accommodates double the number of plants, but does not provide equal spacing. The central trees chosen may be a short lived one. Triangle system. The trees are planted as in square system, but the difference being that those in the even numbered rows are midway between those in the odd rows. Instead of opposite to them, triangular system is based on the principle of isolateral triangle. Triangle system is based on the principles of isolateral triangle. Contour system. It is generally followed on the hill where the plants are planted along the contour across the slope. It particularly suited to land with undulated topography. The main purpose of this system is to minimize land erosion and the conserve soil moisture so as to make the slope fit for growing fruits and plantation crops. Among these system of planting, square system of planting adopted in peach, plum and sapota fruit plant at agriculture farm of School of Agricultural Sciences and Technology, RIMT University, Mandi Gobindgarh, Punjab. School of Agricultural Sciences and Technology, RIMT University planted mainly 3 crops at agriculture farm. First one is plum, number of plants 59, spacing 6 into 6 meter, variety Kala Amritsari and purple Satluj. Kala Amritsari is the pollinator variety for the purple Satluj. Second is chiku, sapota, it is also known as sapota, botanically known as Acros sapota, belongs to family Sapotaceae, number of plants 14, spacing 7.5 into 7.5 meter, variety Kali Patti. Plants of chiku planted in square system of planting. Next one, peach, number of plants 50, spacing 6 into 6 meter and variety Sane, Punjab. It is developed from Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, Punjab. Digging of pits at agriculture farm of RIMT University, Mandi Gobindgarh, Punjab. 1 into 1 into 1 meter pits were digged with the help of power pit digger. Filling of pits, after digging of pits were filled with equal amount of topsoil and FIM, farmyard manure. Among them 2 kg pits per pits gypsum was also applied. After filling of pits, watering of pit. After filling of pits are irrigated with water. Planting of saplings. After 2 days of watering of pits, saplings were planted by Honorable Vice Chancellor, Director Academic and Dean, School of Agriculture Sciences and Technology at Agriculture Farm of RIMT University, Mandi Gobindgarh, Punjab. Inaugural session of the planting, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Honorable Dean Sir, Dr. U.S. Tiwana Sir and also Dean, Director Academics and other members of the team. These are my members of my team which support me during the work and make easy to work of the planting of orchards. A general view of plants after 5 days transplanting. This is chiku, this is plum and this is peach. Thank you.